What's up? Just got my last load of equipment loaded up, finishing up this field, and this one has been a doozy to say the least. Let's look at the field and I'll kind of tell you my situation with it. And just, man, I'm so glad to get done with this field and be gone. So comment below if you've ever started a job and the weather has just been an absolute nightmare for you. As far as the field work goes, nothing different about this field than any other ball field. It's just the weather played havoc on me. Let me get my email out. Let me look at this because I want to tell you right and tell you how long I've been on this job. So I started this job on December the 30th, 2024, and today is February the 5th, 2025. I'm gonna tell you what, you talk about something that drove me absolutely nuts is trying to get this field done. And of course, this was a situation I couldn't help. It was all weather dictated. Started the job, and when I started it, there was no bad weather, in sight. I mean, you can't see the forecast, but so far in advance. I started the job, and then out of the blue, here comes a forecast for snow. We hadn't had snow in 4 years, and they give us a pop-up forecast for snow. And so the field got snowed on, and to start, this field holds moisture pretty bad anyway, especially over here on this side. I'm gonna show you where I kind of done some damage over there. The snow set on the field for a while. It was really cold, so it didn't melt. Then it rained a few days after. Then we waited and let it dry up a week or so, a couple of weeks. Come out here and rototilled the infield and graded the infield, before I put my clay down. And doggone if it didn't turn right around and rain again. So we had to wait again. Now, luck of the draw, left field, and particularly this area right here, is the softest, wettest place on the whole property. and it just so happens to be my entrance and exit. So, thank goodness the coach is very, very, very understanding and gets it. He's actually going to bring a roller right here and roll down all the edges and that kind of thing. And then while this is still a little bit soft, he's going to roll this and flatten this back out and then scratch it up a little bit and throw some rye on it, and it should be fine. But I'm not happy about leaving a job like that, but we have no choice. I had to get it done this week because they're calling for more snow next week, like 2 to 5 inches of snow next week. And if I didn't get it done, you know how that goes. It's going to snow on it again and just would not be able to complete the job before they start playing, which is the week after. Practice. They start practicing the week after. So had no choice on the ruts, had to bring the clay in here and get the material down. So overall, this turned out pretty nice. The only thing I don't like about the results on this job is there's a little bit of clodding here and there, like little, small clods and things like that. But the good thing is once this dries out a little bit, and he takes his drag and, goes over the field, those little clods will bust up and turn right into dust. It'll be good as new. Hang on, I need 2 hands for this. Oh my goodness. Oh. So there you go. That's been my story here for this particular ball field. It has been a literal nightmare, like I said, but the job is done. It is completed. Gates are locked, and it looks looks pretty dang good. I hope these kids enjoy playing on this field. I did rebuild home plate, and I rebuilt the pitcher's mound totally and completely, so they should be in good shape for the next 2 or 3 years. But I've had a good time doing this field. The work part of it, the logistics part of it, absolutely stunk. Check you later.